It's Monday, and of course, you know that Monday set the tone. Now, before you step into the market, always watch, like I said, watch the pre-market. What is the pre-market showing? You can see most of the pre-market right now is showing green, meaning that the market has already picked up even before it opens. But once the market opens by 2:30 p.m. today, there's always a sharp drop down before it moves up. There's always a very sharp drop down before they move up. I'm going to show you how to enter the market. So even at this moment, so I'm going to select some few stocks because I mentioned it during the week that as this crisis is going on in Israel, Iran, and that region, the Israel-Iran strike is already telling on energy stocks like ExxonMobil, the Icon. Now I'm going to be showing that of the Icon. Yes, Icon right now is already booming. For those of you who always follow my analysis, you're already making money right now, and I'm going to trade even today for one of my investor. I want him to make at least $1,000 today before the week runs out. Yes, this is Icon Energy. And when I listed this stock, like I think 1 month ago or so, this stock was trading around $1 plus. You can see $1 plus, but right now it has hit $3 and it's still going. You can see what is actually showing right now. It touched $3, you can see, and it's going to boom even down to $5 and above. So if you have, for instance, you have $1,000 in your portfolio, or you have $500 in your portfolio, and you buy this particular stock, just target only 20%. Right now, today alone is already doing 63%. And it's going to hit above 100%. So this is how we build wealth, by being strategic, following the news, and knowing the right time to enter. I'm going to open my trading account and then show you how you can enter this particular trade. Yes, and another one, let me just search Exxon. Let me search OXM, that is ExxonMobil. XM. Yes, this is no, means XOM. Yes, SOM. Look at it, trading at $112 right now. I'm going to open it, and you can see the moment that strike happened last week, ExxonMobil, all the energy stock, they actually boomed up immediately. You can see it's already doing 7% in 5 days, and today is going to do more. 2% is already counting. And I tell you, for you to buy this particular stock like today, which is Monday, target when it drops before it picks up. Target it when it drops before it picks up. And so there are many of the stocks that is actually doing well right now. You can see CoreWeave is already doing two things. It has hit $150, and Tencent is also doing well. So let me go straight to what I'm going to be analyzing today. For those who have had Big Bear AI, I know many bought it when it was around $8 or so. Now it has dropped, and it's also picking up. It's going to hit back $5, $6. So if you're buying right now, you are buying at the best time on this stuff, because it's still very, very cheap. You have the Tempos is actually doing amazing right now, picking up excellently. And Micron Technology, you can see Tempos AI. For those who have got this Tempos AI at the rate of $70, $72, 76, is going to hit it back. So this is why I tell you that investing in stock, you don't lose money. The value may drop, but just be patient. When you are patient, in the market, you will definitely see the growth of your investment. That is just it. And then, because I'm picking cheap stocks that has future, that has long-term growth. This is Applied Digital Corporation, which last week you can see where it was, and it's going to go back to $14. So target this particular stock. Once it drop even $10.86, it picks up. It will definitely drop and pick up. So guys, make sure you are following up and then get any of this in your radar and invest. If you have funded your portfolio, please make sure you chat me immediately so I will guide you through on how to buy. For those who cannot do it by themselves, you have like $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 in your account, come down to the office. We are going to guide you through on how to buy. The essence of this is that you make money. And one other beautiful thing about this investment is that when we manage your portfolio, you make more money. Unlike when you are learning trading with what you have, the stagnation around it will always tell on your account. But we can manage your portfolio for you, and then you learn alongside the activities that will be going on, And this is Sound AI that is going to kick back to $10, $11, $12, as the case may be. So for the blue chip stock, those who have AVGO, that is Broadcom, Meta Platform, that is Facebook, Nvidia, and Palantir, is already overpriced. So if you bought while it was still very, very cheap, when Trump and China were trading on their tariff and all that, you are making profit right now. And I'll tell you, be patient, just stay put and make sure that the green doesn't turn back to red. And so if I go back to my trading platform and say, okay, let me check, let me pick icon. Let me say icon energy. So if you want to buy, this is how you buy. When you search the icon energy, you look for it. This is icon energy. You tap on it. It's already at this moment the market for the trading platform on Trove. Because the market has not opened, it will show you the active number. But on my analysis platform, I've shown you can see where it was. It's already 296, 300, as the case may be. You can see the growth. You can see the margin of the stock movement as of last week. The moment the strike in Iran happened, the stock rose up immediately, and it's still going to rise because this crisis is ongoing. So for those of you who want to buy, how do you buy this? How do you use the buying limit to do that? So let me say I want to buy this stock, because I will use the buy limit order, which will show me how much do I want to buy, how much do I want it to drop for me to buy. I will say let it drop, let me say 2.64 cent. If it dropped to 2.64 cent, let it hit. I will say okay, continue. So how many units can I buy with that amount? Let me say I can buy 3. That 3 will give me $7. I only have $9 in my portfolio because there's going to be a little bit charges. I will say okay, go ahead. You see, once I swipe it to my right side, I will place this order. So this is exactly how you buy, and make sure you get this particular stock into your portfolio. One other stock that you need to also consider buying and put into your portfolio is Nvidia. Yes, because Nvidia is already trading below its intrinsic value. So for those who want to buy, because it's a stock that is already growing, in fact it's flying up already. Look at it here, Nvidia. So you want to buy this, you just still go ahead. Because I have a unit of Nvidia, it's showing me sell and buy. But if I want to buy, you just click on buy. The same process I followed. You either buy from the market price. I will tell you to buy the market price. Don't set the limit, because Nvidia may not drop as you think. It's going to move up from this level. So you just go ahead and say, okay, how much do you have you want to put? You just tap the amount you have this time around, because you are not determining the market price for you to buy. You're only buying at the current price. So you are not using any of these options. What you just do is just put the amount you have. For me now, I have $9. So for instance, I want to put, let me say I want to put $4 from the money I have. I'll say go ahead, and I will swipe. If I swipe, automatically it has gone. I'll skip this, I don't want that. So you can see I have placed this order. So once the market opens right now by 2 p.m., I mean 2:30 p.m., this trade will trigger. So I'll say done. That is how you place your order. So for those who are still finding it difficult to also fund your portfolio, it's very simple. You click on this three dot here, you tap on the balances. Because I have many portfolios ongoing here, I will just tap on the US portfolio, and then you see fund Naira or fund dollar. We are using Naira, so you go ahead and do your normal bank transfer, and then type the amount you want to invest, you want to fund. Maybe I want to put 20,000. So you just follow the prompts and it will take you down there. So guys, if you haven't bought any of these stocks, please go ahead, review your portfolio, make sure you fund it, and then start making money, start building wealth as we move on. For those who want our training, don't forget, we manage portfolio the best that can give you money.